Hi, I'm Not Your Average Joe, and today we're doing something a little bit special. This is a bench for me. We got all this wood. We got some threaded bar, and we got some huge screws. This is gonna be my new workbench. Let's go. Top is built, the legs and frame are built, just need to build some support structures from either side, reinforce the side legs, and then build some shelving across the bottom. Playing it all down, smoothing it down, tidy up the edges a little bit. Be a bit of an upgrade to that thing. Just look at the size difference. Anyway, we'll come finish you next week. Bye bye bench. Bye bye bench. Bye bye. Oh shit, I've just realised I need to bolt these starting with the second one from the back first. Oh dear, this is coming out. There we go, the first part of my mega workbench. Still needs finishing off to get a perfectly flat top on it, make it a bit smoother and a bit nicer to work on. In the next video, we'll be organising my workspace, getting everything organised around this bench so it's easy to get to. Then we might have a look at making it all pretty.